All right, this is going to be all the solos from All Along The Watchtower by Jimi Hendrix. So here goes the first one. Okay, so we slid into the 13 on the G, then we hit the 12 on the B, 4 bends on the 14 on that B. Bend it down and pull it off. So that was 11 to 13. And 3 11s right there. Then we're going to slide into this 11 on the D. So 11, 9, 11 here, and then bend down and back up. So here's the up and down on the 11 on the G. Pull off, 11 on the D. We have a hammer on pull off, 9, 11 on the B to the 9 on the G. And we have 2 bends on that 12 on the second string. So we got. Okay, and the progression on this is like. And it is detuned to half step like a lot of Hendrix stuff. So to play with the record and jam along with this thing, you want to detune, and it makes it a lot easier to do the bends and all stuff like that. Okay, now we're going to get into the second solo. Okay, so we have this bend, this unison bend. We have the little 9 with the 12 on the second string. Pull off to that 9. And you kind of hit this 11 with the 9 and then bend it up into a unison. So. And you let that one pull off and then go to the 11 down here in the D. And then we're going to have a 9, 11 to 13 real quick. 12 here, 14. So we kind of have a 12 and then bend the 14 again, and then another 12 and another 14 bend. So it's like the whole thing be like. Now we get into an extra wide bend. So that was a couple wide bends. Up and downs, and then you're gonna have a big bend and then 12 to 14. Kind of bend with that first finger, a whole step. Let it slide down. Okay, so one more time through we got. So we slide into the 11, hit the 9 on the G, bend the 11 on the G, get to that 9 on the second string, and then our next measure is. So it's 9, 12, and then faster you get. So that's your 16th notes there. So it's 1 and 2 E and a 3 E and a. So that was a 9, 9, 12, 9. And your last beat is the 16th notes goes 12, 11, 9, 11 over here. And you have one more bend and a 9 and a slide up. Or those things, so. All right, on to the third solo. Okay, so we have these 9s here. Gonna bend that 11, hit the lower 11. We bend that 9 and 12 unison. Kind of pull that one down. 11, 9. 2 bends. You got one of those, and you got 11 bend, 9, 9. Slide into 14. You got 12 and 2 bends on the 14 down here. Okay, so we got. So this is a tricky one. You got to bend to the 12. You got to bend on that 12 too, so. Okay, then we have like a kind of a sliding effect where it goes. And then 4 to 11 on the D. 11 to 14. You got slide into the 11, go down to the 9 and 6. Right, and it's like I said, it's like a slide effect there. Then we have the sliding octaves. So that's 9 and 12 on the G and E. To the 11, 14, 13, 16, 16, 19. Then we got a tricky riff here. We got. So we have a pickup of 2 notes, the last 2 16th notes of the previous measure. Bend the 11 to the 9. So that's 9, 12, 9, 12, 9, 11, 9, 9. That's 2 sets of 16th notes. And then it ends with. And then we got. So this one's tricky. It's got a 12, and then a 12, 12, 9, 11, 9, 9, 12, 9, 11, 9, 9, 12, 9, 11, 9, and then. Okay, so 4th beat, and then your new measure goes. And that was a whole measure. Then we got. Okay, you got those unison bends on 9 and 12 and 11 and 14. So once again on this one we got. Okay, then we got these chords here. We got. Okay, so we're gonna have these little chords here. We got 11 and 9. Slide into that 8, and you see these are chords like C sharp minor top, B major top, A major. So the bends thing is 9 and 12, 11 and 14, 12 and 15, 14 and 17, 16 and 19. So. Okay, then this last one has the unison. Go up. So I had a little 11, 12, 11 to the bend. So the same bends on the way up, and then. So just a ton of bends on that 19 up there. So at the ends of some of these measures, he'll have some vibrato and stuff, and sometimes in the beginning of a measure, he'll have a new bend. All right, the great Jimi Hendrix, All Along the Watchtower. We'll talk to y'all soon.